Installing an internal CFF adapter. Install the CFF adapter on its tray and fasten the screws to secure it. Align the notches on the tray with the pins on the chassis, place the CFF adapter down and slide it to one side to secure it to the chassis. Close the release pin to secure the CFF adapter into position. Connect the cables to the CFF adapter. To install a fan cage, align the fan cage assembly with the slots on both sides of the server and lower it into the server.
Attention! All fan modules must be removed from the fan cage when handling the fan cage assembly.
Push the fan cage release latches all the way down.
Reinstall all the fan modules and, if necessary, the fan fillers. If necessary, reinstall all the A2, L4 GPU air duct. If necessary, reinstall all the full-length PCIe adapter holder. If necessary, reinstall all the full-length GPU adapters. Reconnect all the cables that were removed. Reinstall the air baffle. If necessary, reinstall all the flash power modules.
Install the server cover.